Hey Radha guys, my name is Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start twisting video without any further delay. So basically this video is going to be routine of 28th September 2025 and today is Sunday. So basically in this video I'm gonna share you like what actually happened in my today's routine video. So let's start. So basically today first of all I woke up, then after that I washed my mouth, then after that I went to the park with sister, then after some time later I came home, then after that I talked to my mother, then at the time of evening I went to the I went to see the Sarah fair, right, with my sisters, right. Then after basically what is actually happened, basically the Sarah Mela is happening, but today basically is not actual the Sarah, right. Today is fair is happening, right. It is around 12 days of fair happen, maybe 9 or 12 days of happen it happens. So basically we went to today, basically the Sarah is of to 2nd October, but basically the fair happen started. So basically me and my two sister went there, and basically yes, we three went there and shooted some videos to be there, and we saw fair everywhere we went, maybe I think so. Also we saw the basically artist, actors, not artists, actors were doing acting and playing the role of Ramayana, right. So yes guys, this is the thing what is actually happened on that time, right. So basically after that we ate something and we purchased some items, right. So after some time later we went outside and came through a rickshaw, right. Then we have purchased two ice cream, right, for our parents, right, for my parents, right, for my parents. Then after that we came home, then after some time later we went for the sleep. So basically guys, this is the thing what's actually happened in my today's routine video. I hope you have really understood this video. If you have really understood this video, then kindly please like it, because whenever I like some videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a very continuous manner. So this is all guys what's actually happened. Now I'm gonna revise this one. Famous books by Indian authors, right. So let's start. Let me focus it. Famous books by Indian authors, right. So yes guys, so yes, now let's start. So then first is books, then author. Books, authors, right. अभिज्ञान शकुंतलम कालिदास, एन ए अकबरी अबुल फैजल, आनंद मठ बंकिम चंद्र चटर्जी, अर्थशास्त्र कौटिल्य, ऑटोबायोग्राफी जवाहरलाल नेहरू, अ सुटेबल बॉय विक्रम सेठ, आधे अधूरे मोहन राकेश, अग्नि परीक्षा आचार्य तुलसी, एशिया एंड वेस्टर्न डोमिनेंस के एम पन्नीकर, बिटवीन द लाइन्स कुलदीप नैयर, ब्रोकन विंग सरोजनी नायडू, बाल मुलाहजा होशियार नरेंद्र पाल सिंह, भगवद गीता वेद व्यास, चिदम्बरा सुमित्रा नंदन पंत, कर्टेन रेजर्स नटवर सिंह, चाइनीज बेट्रियल बी एन मलिक, कॉन्टिनेंट ऑफ सर्कल निराद सी चौधरी, कॉन्फेशन ऑफ अ लवर मुल्क राज आनंद, कुली मुल्क राज आनंद, चांद का मुख तेरा है, ओके, मुक्ति बोध, देवदास शरत चंद्र चटर्जी, दीवान ए गलीब मिर्ज़ा गलीब, डिस्कवरी ऑफ इंडिया जवाहरलाल नेहरू, दुर्गेश नंदिनी बंकिम चंद्र चटर्जी, डेथ ऑफ अ सिटी अमृता प्रीतम, डिवाइन लाइफ स्वामी शिवानंद, डिस्टेंट नेबर्स कुलदीप नैयर, इटर्नल इंडिया इंदिरा गांधी, फेसिस ऑफ एवरेस्ट मेजर एच.पी.एस. अहलूवालिया, फ्रीडम एट मिडनाइट लैरी कॉलिंस एंड डोमिनिक लेपियरे, गाइड आर के नारायण, गोडन मुंशी प्रेमचंद, गुनाहों का देवता धर्मवीर भारती, गना देवता तेरा शंकर बंदियोपाध्याय, गीत गोविंदा जयदेव, गुल ए नगमा फिराग गोरखपुरी, गार्डनर आर एन टैगोर, गीतांजलि आर एन टैगोर. Okay. Gora R N Tagore, Glimpses of World History, Jawaharlal Nehru. Here is written only JL Nehru, right? General English, you are Mediratta. Okay, the book's name is General English and written by U.R. Mediratta. Okay, great marketing, right? So maybe I think so. हर्ष चरिता बाना भट्ट, हिंदू व्यू ऑफ लाइफ राधा कृष्णन, हंगरी स्टोन्स आर एन टैगोर, हिमालयन ब्लंडर जेपी डालवी, ब्रिगेडियर, आई फॉलो द महात्मा के एम मुंशी, आई एम नॉट एन आइसलैंड के ए अब्बास, इंडिया डिवाइडेड राजेंद्र प्रसाद, इंडिया द क्रिटिकल ईयर कुलदीप नैयर, इंडिया आफ्टर नेहरू कुलदीप नैयर, इंडिया विंस फ्रीडम अबुल कलाम आज़ाद, जॉब्स फॉर द मिलियंस वीवी गिरी, जूही की कली सूर्यकांत त्रिपाठी निराला, जूही की कली सूर्यकांत त्रिपाठी निराला, कदम्बरी बाना भट्ट, कागज ते कानवास अमृता प्रीतम, कामसूत्र वत्स्यायना, कामायानी जयशंकर प्रसाद, कपाल गुंडला बंकिम चंद्र चटर्जी, कितनी नवों में कितनी बार SH वत्स्यायन अजनेया. Okay. कुमार संभव कालिदास, लाइफ डिवाइन श्री औरोबिंदो. Okay. Then के महाभारता as per written, what is actually here for Hindi, Mahabharat, right? It is Ved Vyas. G is in Hindi word, right? Mr. Ved Vyas maybe, but I can't say, maybe I think so. It is so Ved Vyas, right? The author name, right? So yes, that is the thing what is actually I want to tell you guys, and it is all what is actually happened. So let's read or more. मानविनी भवाई पन्नालाल पटेल, माती मटल गोपीनाथ मोहंती, मेघदूत कालिदास, मालती माधव भवाभूति, मुद्र रक्षसा, विशाखा दत्ता, माई लाइफ एंड टाइम्स वीवी गिरी, मान सरोवर एम प्रेमचंद, मेरी 51 कविताएं अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी, मेरी चकातिकम सुद्रका, मृत्युंजया BK भट्टाचार्य. Okay. My experiments with truth MK Gandhi, many worlds KPS Menon, नैवेद्यम बालामणि अम्मा, निशीथ उमा शंकर जोशी, नो सर PG मवलंकर, आउट ऑफ डस्ट DF कराका, वन डे वंडर्स सुनील गावस्कर. So this is all guys what's actually happened in my today's routine video. I hope you have really understood this video, and to this particular video I discussed about my routine. Also I discussed some vocabulary words, right? And right, to the upcoming videos I would like to talk or more about topic like Indian towns associated with the industries, right? Foreign words and expressions often used in English, right? So this is the such kind of things I would like to talk to the upcoming videos. So I think guys it is all enough for today guys, so let's end the video guys. See you again, bye bye.